Hello friends, in this video I am going to show you how you can connect ADB wirelessly without using Android Studio. Like you don't have to install Android Studio or anything. You just need ADB installed in your laptop. So I am using Ubuntu operating system. I'll just show you. I'll type which ADB. So it will show you platform tools. So ADB should be installed in your laptop. Now you can see here that ADB is installed. So now what next you have to check is Wi-Fi. You should check the Wi-Fi should be connected your phone and like your laptop should be connected to same Wi-Fi. So you can see here Airtel underscore 1500. So this is the Wi-Fi and I'll show you in my phone also that it is connected to same Wi-Fi. I'm in phone screen, so you can see in my phone screen like I'm connected to the same Wi-Fi, and I'll just go to developer mode and on the wireless debugging. So you go, my developer mode is already on, so before you should enable the developer mode. So my developer mode is on, so I'll go to wireless debugging. So you can see here wireless debugging. So I just click wireless debugging and I have to enable it. So when the wireless debugging is enabled, so you can see this IP address, and before that connecting to this wireless debugging you need to pair it. So this this will work only for like an Android 12 and above devices like Android 12, 13 and 14. So below Android 12 it this method won't work. So I'll just show you. You just have to click pair device with pairing code. So I just clicked it, pair device with pairing code, and I got the pairing code here and that IP address. So below is the IP address like 46411 ending with, so that you have to select. So I'll just show you on the laptop how to do it. Hello friends, so now I'm on laptop screen, so you can, so I will enter the details which I had in like phone. So first I'll type the command adb pair. So first we have to pair it. So adb pair. So use adb pair host port pairing code. Pair we have to enter the address also. So I will enter the IP address. It was 192.168.1.4 colon the below IP address 46411. So this is the IP address I entered 46411. So it's correct. So I'll enter. So enter pairing code. So now we have to enter the code, which was you can see on the phone screen 569.164. So I'll just enter it and I'll hit enter. So successfully paired, and it will show successfully paired, and it will connect wirelessly also automatically. So you can see on the phone screen that it got connected wirelessly automatically. So you can see here this wireless debugging is enabled and wireless debugging connected. So now I will show you how you can do it with Android Studio. Now I will show you how you can do it with the Android Studio. So I open the Android Studio. So now I'll go to device. Here it is showing no device. So you just click on no device and pair device using Wi-Fi. So here also that Wi-Fi should be connected to the same network. So here in you can see I have already shown you my phone is already connected. Now I am on the phone screen. So you can see I'll just go to wireless debugging. So this is the shortcut. I'll just go from here. So wireless debugging is off. I'll just on it. So here is the IP address, but you don't have to click on the IP address. So now you have to click on pair device with QR code. I will show you how you can do with the QR code. So I'll just click here and I'll just scan the QR code. So now it is pairing device. So first it will pair and it will connect automatically. So you can see on the laptop screen. Now you can see on the laptop screen it is rotating. So it will take some time to connect. I'll do it again. So you can see here it got connected automatically and that pop-up came. So and in ADB Wi-Fi you can see here that device it is connected. So I will off this I will off the wireless debugging and I will close this, refresh the device. So now the device got disconnected. So now I will show you how you can connect next time. Like first time you paired it, so next time you can connect wirelessly. So I have opened the terminal. So next time you have to on the wireless debugging and you have to type the IP address it is showing on the top. So now you can see on the screen it is showing 43455. I will type it here ADB. So first time when it is paired it will like connect automatically. You can see the pop-up it got automatically connected. So after first time successfully connection you can type this command ADB TCP IP 5555. So after successfully connection you can type this command. So restarting port at TCP IP 55. So what will happen is, so next time when you will on this wireless debugging, so it will connect automatically after like typing this. So first time when you will connect you just type this command ADB TCP IP 5555. So this is all about this video, and I just want to show you like you can connect like this also. Like if if you want to connect next time, if automatically connection does not happen, so you can see on the screen it will show the IP address and port. So you have to type ADB connect. You have to type the IP address and here you can see it connected to this, so it will connect automatically to this. So like this also you can connect to your phone. So this is all about this video. Like you don't need Android Studio to like connect to ADB wirelessly to your phone. So this is all about your video. Thank you for watching. If you like this you can like this video.